Hello, Mr. Woods.
Hello, Mr. Sens.
You having a nice day?
Yep. No.
Sex? You're in
I'm
New Zealand?
No, I'm in New York.
Big blue balls?
Yeah, there's no gay. There is no balls.
I'm nervous. Excuse me. You enjoy sex? You enjoy balls? You're a very big fan of balls?
Yes, I love balls.
You are gay?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay. Do you
It's good fun.
scratch balls?
No.
You're a big fan of music, we hear. My wife is dead. This is funny to you?
Sorry.
She died in a car accident. So Daft Punk is dead. You know this? You have
Yes.
sex?
No, I do not.
Why?
Bruh.
I hear you kick a small child, Philippa. She, Flipper is her name.
Yes.
He's dead.